Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is gold spot and it is analysis for the coming week. This will be from 6th of October to 10th of October. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold. And this analysis is top down from monthly time frame, then I'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame. And in 4-hour time frame is where I provide those possible entry levels for the coming week. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 4-hour time frame. And also make sure that you do your own analysis and watch analysis from other traders so that you'll have confidence on the probable direction for the coming week. And in this analysis, I'll be pointing out the key levels of support and resistance, now the trend lines and the static support and resistance, and also I'll be counting the waves now as you see in the charts. And now in addition to pinpoint the entry levels, I'll be reading the candles, the candlestick patterns also. So under confluence of all these factors, I am able to provide the probable direction on gold now coming week. So this is of what was projected in the previous analysis, and also I'll be highlighting key deviations now in what was expected this week and what has exactly happened, but we managed to take trades. Okay, so I'm in a monthly time frame. Then in a monthly time frame, what we see clearly is a level of resistance here. So we have this level of resistance whereby price is most likely expected to touch this level. Now this is a simple technical. It is not under the Elo to wave channels. So under a simple technical analysis, we may expect another touch here. So this is going to happen just several months ahead, and it may be next year. So it depends on how long these candlesticks here will be. So actually this is just a rough approximations, projection. But going more specific, when you look on the wave count, now we will see we are looking for the possible third wave here, and then will be followed by the fourth wave. So in lower time frames we'll see clearly what is expected here. And going more specific by looking on the candlestick structure here, you see price was just moving sideways, and now previous month managed to break above. So we expect the bullish momentum will continue holding now from this region. So it's an overall projection in the monthly time frame. Then looking on the current month, at least some bullish momentum has started developing there. So that is an overall in monthly time frame. That is likely we are expecting in monthly time frame. Then now moving to lower time frame, now the weekly time frame. Let us highlight now what are the key things expected in weekly time frame. So weekly time frame is getting more clear with the wave counts. So we see now clearly the internal wave counts. I can start with the wave counts. We see now here we had the fourth wave completed here, then we had the 1, 2, 3. So we may expect for the fourth wave, then finally 50 to the upside. Okay, so that is an overall projection. But going more specific in lower time frames, we will see now how far prices are pushed to the upside before forming fourth wave to the downside. So lower time frames will tell us that. But more general, we may expect the price is going to rise up to these levels up here. And looking on the candlesticks, now we see price have been playing above. It has been playing above this level of support here. So current week also bounced from the level. So we may expect now next week a new candle may do something with the continuation of price push to the upside if price is not going to break below this level of support. And now moving to the daily time frame. Okay, so in daily time frame we are going more specific and things are getting even much better, whereby we see those wave counts we're talking about in higher time frames are getting even more clear with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're looking for the 50 to the upside. and now the fifth wave itself already started with the 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are looking for the the third wave. Yellow wave, I'm sure they are, they understand what I'm saying here. Okay, so technically we see it has been playing within those within the channel now, within the levels of support and resistance. Actually, this has been respected several times. Indeed, there's another level here of resistance, so this can provide us with a trading decision for the coming week. So we may use this one plus the levels of support and resistance in a combination with the wave count, so at least we can understand exactly what we can expect now in the coming week. Okay, so maybe let me go to the 4-hour time frame where we will find out the possible entry levels for the coming week. Yes, so this is the 4-hour time frame, now the final time frame to analyze gold and see the possible entry levels. Yes, so in 4-hour time frame things are much better, and yes, previous analysis was focused on possible sell opportunities, and we're expecting price will go deeper with the sell, but we just managed to trade bigger swing to the downside on Thursday. So that was beautiful, by the way. So we pushed the upside. It has warned us with the possible continuation to the upside, so this is not straightforward continuation of what we expected the previous week, because it was just a possible strong downside. So this week has shown us something different, whereby we'll be looking for compression of the fifth wave to the upside, as I've said, in daily time frame. And now with this possible push to the upside, our decision level, our level to decide whether we're going to buy, it is just this level here around 38.95. 38.95 is the level where we'll be just deciding on taking buy opportunities. And alternatively, if price will not move with that push to the upside, we have these two levels down here. The levels of support are going to provide us with a possible alternative price move in the coming week. So more specific now, how are you going to trade next week? So next week you'll be watching for possible buy opportunities after price has broken around 30,900. We can just focus on that level. So after the level has been broken, we'll be expecting for a possible simple retest to this level down here. Then after retest, will be eyes now strongly because of around 4,000, that if you'll be taking opportunities. Now the take profits below 4,000, but price is expected to move to the upside to around the levels of 4,000 because it is the psychological level. But you can just take profits around 30,000. Now this level here, we have this level here which was marked from the level of equality. So we have this level here around 3,989. So you can just take profits around here, but 4,000 level is possible in the coming weeks. It may not be just next week, so it may take maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So that's the overall projection, and that's how you're going to trade. Make sure that you do your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders so that you'll have confidence on the probable direction. Share and like this analysis, and if you have any comment, you have to write in a comment section. Then we'll discuss on we'll discuss about your opinions on the probable direction for the coming week. Thank you and have a powerful weekend.